Thanks to the stairs, everybody.
You're welcome.
Russ, are you the one that's been putting the stairs this whole time?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I will continue to put stairs.
Oh, okay.
Yes, good man.
Are you just gonna keep making it impossible?
Blow it off.
Dude, that one Ferris wheel is just coated in honey. Wow. Good job, guys. You made it really good. All right. We're just going with like a no finish run.
This is incredible.
Jeez.
I got this.
Yeah, dude? You got it? Nice. Good job, dude.
Oh, god damn it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, the momentum was weird there, wasn't it?
I was on the honey.
Oh, yep.
Post advantage!
Nah, I got that. I got that. I earned that. What? I'm afraid. Whew.
MDD.
Yep. Good round, gang.
So when are we banning this game because you're too good at it?
If you want, we can ban it. I understand.
I mean, we've already banned like 4 games I'm really good at.
Yeah, you want to ban this one?
I guess.
I mean, you won the last one. That's a lot of arrow shooters, dude.
Yep. It's gonna be 85 arrow shooters.
Oh, man.
One.
No.
Where do you want this,
Russ?
Russ?
To do my cool fucking idea. Wow.
I'm gonna let you take credit, but where
Dude,
do you want to
it's
put it,
cool,
dude?
No,
Right
it's
here?
Cool, dude. No, that's cool.
Right here?
No, you'll figure it out, I guess.
Dude, I just saw it and I kind of wanted it. I'm sorry. Where do you want to go with it? Where'd it go? Here? That's actually a good idea. I like that idea.
Coin win all.
Wow. We gotta shut that boy down.
Oh, you didn't take the arrow shooter, dude. You missed it.
Something wrong, buddy?
I'm just letting you know you missed the arrow shooter.
Yeah. Don't fuck it up, dude. You have to win. It's almost too easy. It was.
It was.
And that trap really paid off.
God damn.
Right? Hey, Russ.
Hey, dude.
It was a good idea, dude.
Yeah.
No! Where'd you go, dude? Buddy?
Huh?
You left the lobby, dude.
Ah, shucks.
Oh, man.
Why you gotta be like that, man?
Feels bad, man.
Oh, man. But it was a good idea, dude.
I know, I asked to chat and everything, and then you're just like, yeah, I'll take that, no problem. I'm pouring my drink.
Dude, what you pouring, dude?
Cyanide.
No, you shouldn't drink that, dude. I'll get banned on Twitch.
Okay, let's just juice.
That's the main reason.
Yeah, that's the main
Don't
reason.
do that, man.
Don't you I'll get banned, bro. Oh, dude! Snake, you got fucked, dude! That was awesome!
It's fine.
That was so cool! It just fucking sniped you out! It's just a tornado. Nah, I fucked it. Alright. It's all good. I should have waited. Wait, is there someone alive?
Oh, what?
You just peek your head out. Damn. Nice fucking job, dude. Sick. Oh, I got a seasoned vet achievement. Cool. Oh, you're getting pushed. Wow. Thank you, J. Delro. Alright, you guys want to do a different game?
Sure.
Alright. Good game. Good game and stuff. Alright, everybody go, like, fucking drink wine. We'll be right back.
Ain't got
Alright.
one.
Drink your wine.